This incredible Hillcrest F with media floor plan from First Texas Homes is featured in the community of Bluewood in Salina, Texas. This model home includes 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and more than 3,788 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and an extended covered front porch, which offers impressive curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom 8-foot door into the foyer, you'll find the private study with French doors, tray ceiling, crown molding, wainscoting, and large, beautiful windows looking out the front yard, making this a flawless home office. Down the foyer is an elegant, formal dining room with tray ceilings, crown molding, and large, beautiful windows, perfect for entertaining on special family occasions. The California kitchen features a massive center island with granite countertops, upgraded 54-inch cabinets with upper glass doors, upper and lower cabinet accent lighting, toe kick lighting, built-in stainless steel double oven, a built-in microwave, and a 5-burner gas range with decorative backsplash. The adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light and flows seamlessly into the family room, where you'll find many of our most popular upgrades, including a beautiful spiral staircase with Juliet balcony, soaring ceilings, large beautiful windows, wainscoting, and a custom tile fireplace with wood mantel. Tucked behind the stairs, you'll find a full powder bath with shower and custom tile. The private master suite features tray ceilings, crown molding, and a cozy reading area surrounded by beautiful windows. The master bath features split vanities with a makeup area, a deep relaxing garden tub, an extended walk-in shower with custom tile, and a spacious master closet. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with plenty of open space for the kids to relax, study, or hang out with friends. The media room features a tray ceiling with accent lighting, a wet bar, a large closet, surround sound wiring, and Savant home automation. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceiling fans, a large closet, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and another full bathroom complete the second floor. This Hillcrest floor plan also includes an extended covered patio with ceiling fan and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This lovely Hillcrest F with media floor plan is available to be built in the master plan community of Bluewood in Salina, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Hillcrest F with media floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.